Hey guys, it's Adria Ruff with AR Workshop, and today I want to show you our pumpkin spice latte porch, because who doesn't love a little pumpkin spice latte? For those of you who don't know me, I'm a pumpkin spice latte girl, and if you come to my house without one, guess what? Not opening the door. So I want to give you guys 3 tips on how to style this porch. Number 1, it's always great to bring in a live element with your faux decor. A lot of times you'll put some faux stuff out so it doesn't rot, but bringing in that live element makes everything feel real and alive. So the second tip is to display your elements in odd numbers. We used our mums in a set of 3. That's just a little designer trick that everyone likes to use. The third tip is to design your porch based around something you love. So in this case, since my love is pumpkin spice lattes, I had to do the whole thing based around this. You'll be excited about it, and it'll be one of your favorite memories. We hope you love these porch makeovers we're doing, and don't forget to get your PSL. Cheers!